What's up, everybody? We're out here at round one for Drift Colorado. I'm here with the very special Drift Doctor, Levi Waite himself. How you doing today, man?
Doing well, man. I'm actually really impressed with how many people showed up with the impending doom of the rain today, so I'm super stoked that everybody's out here and doing well.
Yeah, that's awesome. I definitely can agree. The weather's not ideal. I mean, maybe for drifting, but...
Right now the weather's like perfect. It's nice and cool. Cars aren't overheating. The ground is still dry, but I think we have that rain coming, so we're trying to prevent that.
Most definitely. One of the biggest things I've noticed is a lot of the changes that you've been making for this season. What can we come to expect as far as 2021 season?
You know, we're really trying to increase our staffing so that things flow smoother. We've got more people in the booth. We've got more people out on track. Everything's gotten really smooth today, so that's really good, especially for the first round. We've got Njuka Racing on board this time, so we've got $500 in prizes for this round. We've got another $500 for every round coming up. And we've got some contracts. We're just waiting on signatures for some other prize sponsors as well. So this season should be pretty dope for the drivers.
That's fantastic. I see that you're really ramping it up and just trying to make the Stoke so alive as far as Drift Colorado goes, and that's awesome. Can't wait to see what you bring us this year and can't wait to see what Drift Colorado is going to bring. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming out, guys.
More slowly than stationary particles. As strange and counterintuitive as it seems, time dilation is a law of nature.
Hell yeah! You know it's sick!
As far as a victory lap goes here, I think that's probably best about you're going to get.
I mean, this man knows how to stylize what's called amazingness right here. He is the man that epitomizes maximum stoke.
Drivers ready, let's go. Here we go.
In the meantime, y'all, let's see you on the streets.